In a bold letter dated March 30, 2026, from Mondoro Ngezi, the war veterans, once a bedrock of Zambia's political machinery, warned that any constitutional amendment pushed without public approval lacks legitimacy. Dzaipa namashoko kubuda panguva inei, ma-war veterans onyorera mutungamiriri wenyika tsamba uya panguva inei vanyorera ZANU-PF pachayo kuti aiwa, anything ma-amendments amunoda kuita tisina kuenda kureferendum kana musina kuuya kwatiri back sema-citizens, aiwa zviri illegitimate. Dzaipa namashoko amudanyorwa panguva inei. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mzimu aya amudanyorera chiti in quotes. The extension and amendment must be approved by the people, the veterans declared, invoking the Liberation Sea core principle of one man, one vote. While carefully reaffirming loyalty to ZANU-PF, the war veterans' stance represents a subtle but powerful act of defiance. Their message is unmistakable. Support for the party does not mean unconditional endorsement of Mnangagwa's agenda. This dual posture, loyal yet resistant, signals a dangerous shift. What was once unthinkable dissent within liberation structure is now emerging in plain sight. The unfolding drama carries haunting echoes of the 2017 military intervention that ousted Robert Mugabe. Then, as now, discontent simmered within the military and war veteran networks before erupting into decisive political action. Mnangagwa's rise was built on that very military backing. Today, however, those same pillars appear to be weakening, with the retired generals, war veterans, and sections of the political elite now converging around constitutional concerns. The signs are ominous. The center may no longer hold. The demand for a referendum has thrown a spanner into Mnangagwa's 2030 ambitions. If ignored, it risks fueling deeper internal rebellion. If accommodated, it could derail the agenda altogether. What is increasingly clear is that the greatest threat to Mnangagwa is no longer coming from the opposition, but from within his own ranks. Zimbabwe is watching closely, and history suggests that when such cracks appear, seismic shifts often follow. Doma developments aripo. Tudze mafunguro enyu matudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.